The DJI Air 4 is shaping up to be one of DJI's most anticipated drones, following the success of the Air 3 and Air 3S. Although it hasn't been long since the Air 3S launch, excitement around the Air 4 is growing fast, fueled by leaks and speculation. From what we know so far, DJI appears to be merging pro-level features with a compact, mid-range design once again. One of the most talked about rumors is a potential triple camera system, likely inspired by the Mavic 3 Pro and upcoming Mavic 4 Pro. The expected focal lengths are 28mm, 70mm, 2.5x zoom, and 168mm 6x zoom. If accurate, users could capture a variety of shots, from sweeping landscapes to tight close-ups, without moving the drone too much. More than just zoom, each lens provides a unique perspective, enhancing cinematic creativity. DJI may also be upgrading the main sensor to a 1-inch CMOS, a significant leap from previous Air models. A sensor this size would boost image quality, particularly in low light, improving detail, clarity, and color accuracy, especially helpful for sunrise and sunset captures. Video capabilities might also see a jump, with 6K recording rumored to be in the pipeline. Beyond more pixels, 6K allows extra flexibility in post-production, such as cropping or reframing without losing quality. It's ideal for creators seeking professional-grade footage in a travel-friendly package. A standout feature could be a 360-degree multi-directional gimbal, offering greater freedom of camera movement. This would enable smoother footage during complex flight paths and help capture unique angles without adjusting the drone's position. Paired with enhanced stabilization, it could deliver the smoothest visuals yet in a mid-range model. Another possible innovation is an electronic ND filter system. ND filters control light exposure, critical when filming in bright conditions. Traditionally, users attach them manually, but if DJI introduces an electronic version, it would simplify things, especially for creators who want to fly without extra prep. Flight performance is expected to improve too. Leaks suggest a 52-minute max flight time, a big step up from previous models. More airtime means more chances to capture the perfect shot. A faster charging system is also rumored, able to recharge 3 intelligent flight batteries in about 90 minutes. Ideal for users on the go. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing is another likely upgrade, increasing flight safety by detecting hazards from all angles. Even more intriguing is the possibility of LiDAR technology replacing traditional sensors. Known for its accuracy, especially in low light, LiDAR would enhance safety during nighttime or indoor flights. Content creators might appreciate true vertical video recording, allowing users to shoot in vertical format without cropping or rotating footage afterward. With vertical content booming on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts, this feature could be a big win for social media-focused pilots. A new DJI RC Pro 2 controller may debut with the Air 4 as well. It's rumored to feature a 7-inch tilting touchscreen, offering a brighter, larger display for better real-time viewing and easier control of camera settings and framing. Leaked images have added fuel to the speculation. One photo, shared by DJI leaker Jasper Ellens, shows what appears to be a prototype that crashed during testing. It reportedly features 3 top sensors and slightly thicker arms than the Air 3S. Though not final, the design hints at efforts to optimize airflow and sensor placement for better performance and safety, possibly allowing rear obstacle detection without needing rear-facing sensors, a concept seen in the Mini 4 Pro and upcoming Mavic 4 Pro. It's worth noting that DJI typically develops products over several years. So while the Air 3S is still fresh, it makes sense that prototypes for its successor are in the works. If the Air 4 launches later this year, it would come roughly 2.5 years after the Air 3, right on schedule for a next-gen release.